everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. Today I gonna show you how to create this makeup look. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I am using this Fair and Lovely fairness cream as a primer. Take a little bit of fairness cream and apply evenly face and neck. Okay, next I am using this compact powder from Maybelline. Okay, next I am using this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette. I am using coral color on that. I'm using Kajal from iTex. Okay, next I am using eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows. Okay, this is from ADS. So this is my makeup look, guys. If you like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care all of you. Keep smiling.